Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply like frames to your videos in CapCut PC using Canvas. So I'm just going to select this video here and I'm just going to make it not super small. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and make sure it is on the main track or you won't see the option. So again, if you put it on the second track and go to basic here, you can't see the canvas option, which is down here, but if you put it on the main track, you'll be able to see. So go to canvas, you can select blur for the background. You can also select colors as well here, or you can go to style and select from all of these pictures. Some of them won't really work because it says media file not found, but some of them will work, like this one. So just experiment and choose which style you want for the frame of your video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!